Hi, my name is Reverend Ken Daigle, and I'm delighted to talk to you today about absolute abundance. After studying and participating in many of the prosperity programs in the field today, I was called upon to create a truly interactive learning experience for my congregation. One that incorporated their real-life experiences and their personal insights. This course is the result of that study and that work. I also designed Absolute Abundance to be facilitated and taught by others, so that the students and your local facilitator come together to create a truly interactive and meaningful learning experience. Together we will look at thought leaders across the spectrum, people like Amy Cuddy, Brene Brown, and Fred Luskin, and of course Unity Classic teachers such as Emily Cady, Charles Fillmore, and my personal favorite, Eric Butterworth. But we don't stop there. We look at many new thought leaders in the field today. Marianne Williamson, Eckhart Tolle, Deepak Chopra, just to name a few. And then we apply these teachings and their practices over a 10-week course to find out what works for us, what will propel us forward and transform our lives. Absolute Abundance is designed with a variety of videos and games, exercises, and readings so that the student comes together with the teachings and finds their way through them. Hey, I designed Absolute Abundance, and I know it's not like anything else in the field today. So I would be honored if you would join us. Sign up today and begin to transform the rest of your life. Hey, we offer a money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose. I look forward to seeing you in class.